Hi, this is Alyssa Apel with anapeladay.com, and I'm here today to review this little gadget. It's a fidget toy, and this is made for people that have anxiety or ADD, ADHD, or even just people that like to fidget. I'm an artist and my sons are pretty creative, I would say, and I notice a lot of artists like to fidget, so I thought I'd get a few of these. This one I'm going to give to Isaac for Easter, and what makes this one different than another one I reviewed is glow in the dark. How cool is that? He's gonna love that feature. So he won't be taking this to school with him, but he can use this at home to mess with while he does his homework or read, that type of thing. A few little things about this is it definitely helps with anti-stress and concentration, so you just kind of fidget with it while you do other things. You can play with it on the go and it doesn't make noise, so I like that as a parent because I'm constantly hearing clicking and crashing with two little boys. And certainly allows you to stay alert and awake if you feel tired or drained just at the end of the day. You know, just spinning this kind of helps hold your attention again. And it's durable, doesn't break apart or anything. And you can buy it on Amazon. It's on Prime. So get it right now because it's on a sale price. So the price right now is $14.99. But it's on sale, like I said. So the original price is actually $20.99. So you're going to want to pick it up. And if you're a Prime member, you get the shipping for free. So you actually save $6 right now. If you spin it hard, I only have one hand that I'm doing it with, so I'm not going to spin it too hard. It will actually spin up to about 3 minutes. So that's pretty cool. And then, like I said, it does glow in the dark, so that makes it really fun. I'm gonna just hold on a second. I am going to scroll down to see if this comes in other colors for you, and it doesn't look like it does. So it only just comes in the gray, but again, it kind of glows a green color when it glows in the dark at night. So if you mess with it and you put it in the light and then have it just all of a sudden in the dark, it will glow in the dark. So that's pretty cool. So definitely pick one of these up. They're really trendy right now. I have a lot of students, college students, that have them, and they have the cubes as well, so it's pretty fun. So pick one up and like this video. Check me out on anapeladay.com. And be sure to look over the full review. Thank you. Bye.